girl, or you a itty bitty 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 about to.
Y'all, I am tired. Okay, that was definitely a workout. Okay. What's up, y'all? It's J Beauty or Jordy or Jord or Jordan or Miss Dorcas or whatever you want to call me. I am back with another video, and I have gotten a lot of requests for this. This is a how to do a cut crease tutorial. It's really simple. I try to make it as easy as possible. I literally only use 2 colors, so it's nothing too drastic. Yeah, so if you would like to see how I achieve my cut crease, then keep watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to hop into the eyeshadow using the BH Party Girl After Hours palette. I went in with that dark blue shade, and I am using the Morphe M332 brush, and I kind of just pat it on my eye. So I'm going in with my favorite, all-time favorite blending brush. This is the M200 from Morphe as well. I wish I could buy 1,000 of these, and I'm just blending out that shade. Sorry y'all, I was real lit for this video, as y'all can see. I was listening to Big Frida while I was doing this look, hence that's why I have like New Orleans bounce music on this video. But yeah, I was real lit. Okay. So I'm just blending that shade out until it is where I desire it to be. So now I'm using the Morphe 35B palette. They do not sell this anymore, so I'm so sorry. But I'm using that dark blue color and applying it on top of that BH Cosmetics shade. I did this because the shade kind of got lost on that when I first blended it out, and it wasn't where I wanted it to be. So now I'm going in with a flat, what? A flat detail brush, and it's a small detail brush. You don't want to use a wide, big, flat brush. This is from Morphe as well, the M124 brush, and I'm going to apply the concealer for my cut crease. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. I like to use a lighter shade just so the eyeshadow that I apply on top of the concealer really pops. So as you can see, I just went along my natural crease line, and then I rolled my eyes and like looked up to the ceiling so it could mark to where it'll like the crease will actually be. So I like to do that just so it could help me guide, wait, does that make sense? So it can help guide me to create that cut crease line that I desire to have. You want to have a slow and steady hand, okay? Because you want that line to be as crisp and as clean as possible. And no, you're not going to get it the first time, and you might get it the first time, but you know, it took me a while to perfect my cut crease, and I'm still trying to perfect it. Like, I'm still not perfect at it, but like I said, it's going to take practice and it's going to take time, and it's okay. But yeah, so you want to have a slow and steady hand when you create that look. You don't want it to have any areas where the line is flat. You want to make sure it's nice and rounded and like a rainbow. I also like to go farther than what I actually want the cut crease to be, because when I blend it out, it'll lose some of that concealer, and you'll see that in a few seconds. So now I'm going in with the M200 brush again with no product and just blending that concealer into the blue. And then I'm going to go in and get some more of the blue and just go ahead and blend it some more, because it kind of got lost and whenever I was blending the concealer into the blue. Make sure you get into the crease of that of your eyelid. Now I'm going in with my other all-time favorite from the Crayon Case. This is Gloden. This is their highlighter powder. I love this stuff. The pigment is to die for. I wish I can bathe in it and just walk around gold my whole life. But I'm going in with this is from Amazon. This brush is from Amazon. So yeah, this is just another flat brush, and I'm just tapping that gold on top of that concealer. I like to use a tapping motion just so the color can really pop more than what it already is. I don't like to use a swiping motion. Also, when you get to that crease line, you want to make sure that you're slow and steady again, so you won't get it onto the shade that's on, like, at the top. But yeah, you want to make sure that you're really patting it nice and neatly when you're doing it. So now I'm just going to take the tip of my brush and I'm just striking it and like patting it towards the blue so it can blend in. It won't have that harsh like line. So yeah. And then I'm going to go in with the M200 brush and blend those two colors together. I also go back in with the blue a little bit just because some of the gold like is on top of that blue and I want to get rid of it as much as I could, at least. So I'm going in with another Amazon brush. And this is basically just a pointy, skinny detail brush. And I'm using that blue just to define the crease again. And on this, it kind of looks like I'm going fast, but you want to be careful with this too because you don't want the blue to get on the gold. And then next, I'm going to use the Morphe M431 to blend out that harsh line because you don't want it to just be a blue line. Going back in with the M200, I'm just blending the gold and the blue together a little bit more. Going back in with the highlighter powder from the Crayon Case and patting on some more of the gold. And I'm using my other, oh my gosh, all-time favorite from Wet n Wild. Y'all, I am cheap. Okay, so this is literally the best eyeliner as far as for me, especially because the price is amazing. Yeah, so I literally use this all the time, so y'all need to get on that Wet n Wild wave, okay? But yes, I'm just creating a wing line, yeah, with this. I bet y'all say, can you get your words together? Because oh my gosh, I'm sorry, okay? So I like to use my eyeliner as my mascara as well, so don't judge me. And now I'm just going to apply some eyelashes to make this look pop even more. And then I don't know why I use this applicator. Oh my gosh, I just picked up anything, and I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Highlighter Palette using the Cop and Ice highlighter shade, and I'm just going to blend that out with another random brush that I just picked up. And the blue got lost, and you're going to see I'm going to go back in with blue. Oh, there we go. And I'm just applying a little bit more blue to where it got lost. And just cleaning up my eyebrows, and yeah, that completes the look. I really hope that I helped you a lot with achieving a cut crease. Like I said in the video, it literally takes practice. It takes time. Like, you might not get it the first time, because I surely did not get it the first time. So it's okay. Like, you know, just keep trying. You can do it. Like, you can do it, girl or boy. You got it. okay? But yeah, so I really hope that my tips helped you and that you become successful in your cut crease journey. I do cut crease on a lot of my looks, which yeah. But don't forget to like this video if you thought this was helpful, and then also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you're going to watch my videos, you might as well subscribe, you know? And also, if you would like to click that bell to get notifications whenever I come out with new videos. And then also, I keep saying also. And then make sure that you follow me on all of my social media. It will be at the end of this video. So make sure you type my name in and you follow my pages. Okay? But thank you for watching, and please come back because I want to see you. Bye.